What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here and I'm super excited to give you guys an early look at the upcoming collaboration between AriZona Iced Tea and Adidas on this Continental Vulc in the core white colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. So they're an Australian-based men's jewelry and accessory company, and they produce some very wearable, very versatile, and high quality product. So it doesn't really matter how you dress, you're probably going to find something that suits your style on that site. So through that link down below, my viewers will be able to get exclusive pricing and savings, so be sure to check them out and show them some love. So back to the shoes. First off, I want to give a huge thank you over to Adidas Canada for sending me over this pair. Following up the super hyped release of the Young 1 and the Continental 80, Adidas and AriZona Iced Tea are back at it again, this time releasing this Continental Vulc model. So I'm not exactly sure when the release date of these will be, but I know they're also releasing a women's colorway as well, and I believe these will retail for a price of $100 US. So jumping straight into the shoe, this is your Continental Vulc model, not to be confused with the Continental 80. There's going to be some slight differences throughout the shoe, which I'll point out throughout this review. So as we take a look at the toe box, so here we have this very soft suede toe box. You can see we have these 3 rows of perforations, and this suede is very soft and it's done in this very pale gray color. This suede runs up the center of the shoe where the eyelets are, and it surrounds the AriZona word mark found on the right foot and the Adidas word mark found on the left foot. Next to this suede, as we move along to the sides of the shoe, here we have this very soft off-white or sail colored leather. I'm really happy with the quality of this leather, and as you can see, we have the AriZona Iced Tea logo embroidered throughout. Along the back of the shoe at the very top, we have this suede patch done in this green color, and stamped on we have the Adidas trefoil logo. In terms of laces, so these come standard with a flat style lace in this off-white color, and they come with metallic lace tips, which is a nice luxurious touch. In addition to this, they also give you 3 extra lace options. So there's one in this multicolored finish, the second one which is done in this hot pink, and the third which is done in this turquoise or green. Underneath the laces we have this canvas tongue, and at the very top we have these tags which has the Adidas trefoil logo on the left foot and the AriZona Iced Tea logo on the right foot. So the interior of the shoe is lined in canvas, and as I pull out the insoles, these come with a very loud AriZona Iced Tea branded insole. On the heel we have this patch which is sewed in, which features both the Adidas trefoil logo and the AriZona logo done in pink. So the upper of these Continental Vulcs sits atop this vulcanized rubber outsole. So this is the most significant difference between this model and the regular Continental 80 version. On the back heel we have the AriZona Tea logo again. And then flipping these over to the bottom, so you can see the outsole is also reworked as well. So we have this circular and diamond traction pattern on the forefoot and this wavy pattern on the heel. So in terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. Adidas Canada sent me these guys in a size 10, and they fit me slightly big, but overall still relatively true to size. If you're kind of in between sizes, I would go for the smaller size. But with all things considered, true to size should be okay for this pair unless you want a really snug fit, then you might want to consider going down a half size. For me, because my feet are slightly wider, I probably wouldn't want to go down a half size, and sticking true to size for me was perfectly fine. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so nothing too crazy here, this is a pretty standard setup with a shoe design in the 80s, and you're going to feel very flat to the ground, you're going to have a ton of ground feel, but from an actual plushness standpoint, there's not too much of that with this shoe. So with all that out of the way, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Comparing this release to the previous version of the AriZona Adidas collab, this one obviously is going to be a lot more subtle, and because of that I find these to be much more wearable. It still gives off that tropical sort of feel without being way too in your face, and given my suspected price point of $100 USD, these are going to be very affordable as well. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this AriZona Iced Tea and Adidas Continental Vulc. Is this a shoe that you guys would consider rocking, or is this a collab that just shouldn't have happened? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, first off, a huge thank you goes out to Adidas Canada for sending me over this pair, and another thank you goes out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully I'll catch you guys all in the next one.